house doesn't have to be your forever house. I am focusing on first-time home buyers over the next few days, where I will be showing you 4 to 5 houses that are under $300,000. So you first-time home buyers, I got you. Let's start outside. We're going to start off with the neighborhood scan. Here's the home here. This is the only new construction home that I have done in this series, and it is the smallest also, so just keep that in mind. It is 1,384 square feet. Obviously, it's a new build, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, listed right at $299. Now, something interesting to note about this community is they actually have an HOA, but there's no fee associated with it. All the HOA does is just make sure people maintain their yards and they don't do anything crazy with the exterior to their home. So here's bedroom number 1 to your right at the front of the house. And then in the middle is the restroom area. And then you continue on to the secondary bedroom. I do really like the closets. So you have the coat closet here, and then you go directly into a very, very open living and dining area. You get the 2-tone cabinets, which is really nice. Adds a little bit of a difference to what you typically would see. Wood floors throughout, except for in the bedrooms and bathrooms. Linen closet, because storage is king. Of course, you've got your double sinks in the master, and then an open closet. Now, when I say open, I mean open as in there's no door or anything on that. So it's completely open. And then, you know, what we've talked about in the past in my videos is that builders are getting rid of tubs. So you do have a nice size stand-up shower there. What do y'all think of the layout so far? Is it too open or is it just right? Here's the laundry area. So you have your washer dryer, and then you walk straight through to the garage. There is a little bit of storage in that laundry room though, which is nice. Now, I will not be putting the address for this home in the details, but if you are interested in this home, definitely send me a text or call me. That's the best way. If you just put in the comments more information, it may take me a few days to get a hold of you, and then the availability of the home may change. So if you're interested, definitely reach out to me directly. If you're just browsing, because sometimes people, they want information, but they're really just browsing, go ahead and comment list now, or you can DM me, you can DM me list now, and I will contact you, and then I'll find out what your criteria is in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and then I will start sending you some homes that are similar. Now, this concludes the limited series that I did. Your first home does not have to be your forever home. This is house tour 4 of 4, so we have completed it. What do you guys think, and which house was your favorite? I do have another series coming up soon, so stay tuned, y'all.